Let's look at this unit of measure conversion problem. We want to know what is the equivalent number of months if you have 2.5 years. So we want to convert 2.5 years into months. We're converting from one unit of measure, years, to another, months. So we're going to use this process called dimensional analysis. In order to use dimensional analysis, we need to think if there's an equivalence between months and years. Well, I think that's probably an equivalence that we know. We know that 1 year, we know that 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. When you say a year, you're saying the same amount of time as when you say 12 months. So we can use this equivalence to create one of our conversion fractions. And since we want years to cancel, we'll put years in the denominator. And since we want to end up with months, months has to go in the numerator of our conversion fraction. And then we put in the numbers. 1 goes with year when 12 goes with month. And so now it simply becomes a matter that the years cancel, leaving us the dimension of month that we wanted, and now we multiply 12 times 2.5. Well, let's do it by hand, because some of these arithmetic problems you're going to have to do by hand. And then we'll check our answer with our calculator so we learn how to do it with the calculator as well. So we're going to take 12 times 2.5. 5 times 2 is 10, put on the 0, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. Now we add, 6 and 4 is 10. And remember, in the answer, when you're multiplying with decimal numbers, the number of digits you have to the right of the decimal point is the total number of digits you had to the right of the decimal point in your factors, which was only 1. So the decimal point will be there. So 2.5 years is the same as the amount of time of 30 months. And let's just check to make sure if we're right. Let's try our calculator. So if we're going to multiply 12 times 2.5, we'll put in the 12, hit our multiplication sign, put in 2.5, hit the equals. Sure enough, answer's 30. We were able to do it by hand and with the calculator. So again, we're using this dimensional analysis process to be able to convert a quantity from one unit of measure to another. In this case, 2.5 years is equivalent to 30 months of time.